Hey guys, it's Simply Cynthia and welcome back to another Simply Wonderful video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And a lot of people had questions from my previous video about skincare and how do you know the best skincare products for you. So I actually partnered up with Yesstyle to bring you guys skincare for beginners. So if you want to see some of the options that they helped me pick out, then please keep watching. All right, you guys, so I wanted to bring you up close and personal so that way you can see kind of the state of where my skin is. The way it is now is kind of how my skin was growing up, where I would have a couple of hormonal breakouts, a little bit of discoloration. I have scarring from little spots that I've picked at. Unfortunately, I am human and that's just one of the things that we do. And then most of the hormonal acne that I get or breakouts that I get are on my forehead, as you can see here. So that's kind of what I'm dealing with, and that's what I had to deal with a lot when I was younger. Those were kind of my main concerns. These things don't really pop up all the time, but when they do, I need to kind of combat them. So yes, they'll help me pick out some products for you guys, and I hope that you like them. Okay, so the first product that they sent me, which is perfect for oily to combination skin, is this travel kit by Pangong, and I hope I pronounced that correctly. And it's a nice travel set because it comes with a low pH foaming cleanser. It also comes with a toner and also a moisturizer as well. So it's a nice way for you to try out the product first and see how you feel about it, especially if you are a beginner to skincare. It gives you everything that you need. So what I've been using a lot, because I've tried all these products already, I absolutely love the Pore Cleanser. This is perfect again if you have large pores, if you have oily skin, or if you're even dealing with a lot of dead skin, which is how I end up with these spots here, and this has definitely helped. This is a cleanser that I only use during these times when I have the hormonal breakouts and things like that, because that's when my skin is normally like the driest. I have combination skin, so that's when I use this product here. Okay, and the other products that it comes with, like I mentioned, it comes with their Essence Toner. This is great if you need to add hydration to the skin. I will also mention that this one is a little bit more, it's a little bit stronger than the Klairs one that I prefer. So this one I only use if my skin's real bad. But if you have more breakouts than me, then this is going to be perfect for you. And then the other product that comes with it is a Nourishing Cream, again to add that moisture back into the skin, so that way you don't have the dryness, or you know, to help nourish the skin. So these are all come in the kit, and again, this is a kit for beginners and it's a great way to start. So I've already washed my skin, so now I'm gonna go in with the next product. Okay, so the next two products are actually toners. So depending on what your skin's doing at the moment, then you can kind of choose between these two. So the first one is the Heartleaf toner, and it looks like this. This is a Heartleaf toner. This is to soothe the skin. So if you have irritated or sensitive skin, this is going to be awesome for you. As you can tell, I've already used a good amount because I like it that much. This one's really nice on the skin and it does exactly what you want it to do. Just kind of balance out the pH after you've done a wash. This is when my skin's real bad, i.e. what's going on with this, so that's why I'm using this one right now. If I'm looking for something that's going to apply more moisture, again, I still go to my Klairs because my Klairs is really good, but this one, when the skin's just like absolutely not having it, this is my go-to. If I'm looking for some added strength or added nourishment to the skin, I'm gonna go with the Probiotic Pads. These are toning pads. And I must say, K-Beauty is very clean and sterile, because when you open it, which I absolutely love, it comes in the cap, it has a little tweezer on the top of it, so that way you can just pick up the pad. That way you're not like bringing in the germs from your hand. So that's what I'm going to use today. I'm going to use the toning pad, and I'm going to use my little tweezers All right, and the next product is kind of a two-in-one. These are some super cute affordable masks. These are the Lotus Masks. I've actually used the soothing and brightening one already. This one was super nice on the skin. I absolutely loved it, and I like that the masks are actually made out of pink microfiber versus the, you know, the cotton ones that you tend to get. These are already packed with everything that you need. On the top part, it comes with a super cute toner pad that you can just slip your fingers in and do what we just did and tone and nourish the skin before you put the mask on. And then on the bottom half, it actually has your Lotus mask, and these were packed with so much essence in them that I actually was able to use the excess of it and just apply it to my neck and add it to my chest as well, and even my hands, so that way we can nourish and take care and brighten and soothe the whole body. So it came with a lot of product in these, so these are nice for those days if you're just like kind of wanting to relax and repair the skin. If you're like me and your skin gets a little bit dull throughout the day because we're not getting as much sunlight, then these are definitely perfect for that. And the pink one is a anti-wrinkle treatment, and it's never too early to start, so I'll probably try this one out later on today. All right, and now I'm gonna continue with the rest of my skincare, and a lot of my other products come from Yesstyle as well. I'm going to use my Snail Bee High Content Essence, so I'm going to apply a little bit on my hand like so, to add hydration into my skin, since right now it's acting pretty dry. Normally I have extremely oily skin, but for some reason with the seasonal change, my skin has been super dry. So this is a nice way for me to add a little bit more hydration. All right, and then I don't know if I shared this with you guys in my last video, but I've been using the Repair Serum by Ginseng, I believe. No, this is by Beauty of Hosong. And this is their Repair Serum. As you can see, I literally only have a drop left. I placed an order for 2 more of these just because, again, it's been doing wonders for my skin. It's been doing wonders for my sister's skin. And since we're both using the product, we are running out of it like crazy. So I'm going to use the last bit of it since I already placed my other order. And with my skin doing whatever it's doing right now, I could use as much Repair Serum as possible. All right, and an honorable mention, I did put on my vitamin C serum just to help me clear up some of these scar marks that I have. I really gotta stop picking at my skin. I never used to do that. I don't know what it is. I think it's like a nervous habit thing right now, but the vitamin C is kind of helping me clear up these dark spots that I have. So I wanted to just mention that. And the last product that we're going to use, this one I normally use at night, so I'm going to go in with a very light hand. This is by Klairs. This is their Rich Moist Soothing Cream, and this one is perfect again if your skin is dry like mine, to replenish that hydration back into the skin. Again, a little bit goes a long way, so I'm just going to take a small amount and apply it to the skin, especially because it's still early in the day. I might wear some makeup, and normally primers add a little bit of hydration depending on which one that you're using, so a little bit of this will go a long way. And it also smells really nice too. It's not highly fragranced, but it's just a nice smell. So, and then because I actually like how much hydration it gives me, I'm going to put a little bit more on my hand, and I like to use it as a hand moisturizer as well, just because right now we're all washing our hands, or we all should be washing our hands a lot more often just because of the situation, and I like to apply it to my hands, and it makes them look super hydrated and super moisturized. like so, and like my face. All right, you guys, so that is the beginner skincare set. So like I said, you can use some of these products if you like, or you can alternate depending on what your skin is doing. But these are some of the awesome finds that I was able to find on the Yesstyle website to help you start at least your skincare journey. So please let me know down below if you guys already have these products. How do they work for you? Do you like them? And then also let me know if you're willing to try them as well. Down below, like I said, I am partnering up with Yesstyle, so I do have my coupon code simply you2, because you too deserve to have beautiful skin as well. So let me know what you guys' experience is, if you like these products, or what other K-beauty products have you used that you think that I need to try out. Let me know down below. And as always, be brave, be beautiful, and always be you. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.